Installing Sterling Center Pivot Shower Door. This animation is intended as a supplement. Please refer to the installation instructions provided with the product for important safety information, required tools, and detailed installation guidance. Warning: risk of serious injury. Damage before installation can result in glass shattering. Inspect the glass and all parts for damage before installation. Improper installation can result in glass shattering. Follow all installation instructions. Do not cut tempered glass. Tempered glass will shatter if cut. Always wear safety glasses and gloves while cutting and drilling to prevent injury. Caution: risk of personal injury. Wear protective gloves and long sleeves when installing the door. Tempered glass should not contact hard surfaces, or the glass may shatter. Do not touch the edge of the tempered glass panel with tools or any hard objects. Do not remove the corner protectors from the glass. Verify that the shower base is flat and level to prevent water damage. Cover the base of the shower or bath to avoid damage. Follow the instructions applying 100% silicone sealant for the shower door. Sealing areas other than those shown in the installation instructions may cause leaking. Tools required: safety glasses, measuring tape, pencil, level gauge, screwdriver, file tool, scissor, drill, 1/4 inch, 3/16 inch, 5/16 inch, 5/32 of an inch and 9/64 inch drill bits, 9/64 inch and 5/16 inch masonry bits for tile, hex wrench, rubber mallet, tin snip, hacksaw, miter box, masking tape, silicone gun, protective gloves. Important: left pivot configuration is shown in the installation steps unless otherwise indicated. Determine whether the door will be installed in a left pivot or right pivot configuration. The pivot panel must be installed on the same side of the shower as the shower head. If this is not possible, contact the customer care center. Important: for proper door alignment and operation, confirm that the shower base or bath ledge and walls meet the following requirements. Do not install the door if these requirements are not met. Walls must be within 1/2 inch of plumb. There must be at least 1.5 inches of flat surface on the shower walls. There must be at least 1.5 inches of flat surface on the shower base ledge. Cover the drain with tape to prevent the loss of small parts. The shower base ledge must be flat and level between the walls. Use a drop cloth to protect the shower surface. Measure distance A between the shower walls and mark the distance on the threshold. Subtract 1/8 inch from A and make a second mark on the threshold as shown. Cut the threshold at the marked line and file any rough edges. If needed, file the ends of the threshold to fit against the shower walls. Use a coin to match and transfer the corner radius. Align the threshold 1/8 inch from the front of the shower base ledge along the entire length and mark the location. If the shower base ledge has a raised edge, align the threshold 1/4 inch from the back of the raised edge along the entire length and mark the location. Apply 100% silicone sealant into the grooves on the bottom of the threshold. Tape the threshold securely in place along the mark, centered between the walls. The fixed panel should be installed on the opposite side of the shower head. Important: the fixed panel wall jamb must fit tightly against the threshold and wall. Position the fixed panel wall jamb on top of the threshold, against the wall. Plumb the fixed panel wall jamb. Tape the fixed panel wall jamb securely in place and mark the fixed panel wall jamb location. Verify that the threshold is still aligned with the previously marked location. Using a pencil, mark the anchor hole locations on the fixed panel wall jamb. Remove the fixed panel wall jamb and set aside. Using a 5/16 inch drill bit, drill a hole at each marked location. Use a masonry bit for tile walls. Install the provided wall anchors. If necessary, gently tap the anchors until the anchors are flush against the wall. Thoroughly clean the shower base and walls. Reposition the fixed panel wall jamb, aligning with the anchor holes. Verify that the fixed panel wall jamb is plumb. Secure the fixed panel wall jamb with 3 No. 8, 18 by 1½ inches screws. Using a 3/16 inch drill bit, drill 3 holes in the pivot panel wall jamb according to the dimensions shown. Position the strike jamb on top of the threshold, against the wall. Plumb the strike jamb. Tape the strike jamb securely in place and mark the strike jamb location. Verify that the threshold is still aligned with the previously marked location. Using a pencil, mark the anchor hole locations on the strike jamb. If a pencil cannot reach the wall, use a drill bit to mark the wall. Remove the strike jamb and set aside. Using a 5/16 inch drill bit, drill a hole at each marked location. Use a masonry bit for tile walls. Install the provided wall anchors. If necessary, gently tap the anchors until the anchors are flush against the wall. Thoroughly clean the shower base and walls. Reposition the strike jamb, aligning with the anchor holes. Verify that the strike jamb is plumb. Secure the strike jamb with 3 No. 8, 18 by 2½ inches screws. Position the wall jamb expander on top of the threshold, against the fixed panel wall jamb. Plumb the wall jamb extender. Only the top or bottom of the wall jamb extender should be adjusted for plumb. Do not adjust the depth at both the top and bottom of the wall jamb extender. Tape the wall jamb extender securely in place against the fixed panel wall jamb. Using the wall jamb extender as a template, drill 3 5/32 of an inch holes in the fixed panel wall jamb. Install the wall jamb extender with 3 number 10 16 by 3/8 inch screws. Do not over-tighten the screws. Measure the width of the fixed panel and mark the distance on the threshold seal. Subtract 1 3/16 inch from the previous mark and make a second mark on the threshold seal, as shown. Cut the threshold seal at the marked line. Apply 100% silicone sealant to the end of the threshold seal that will come into contact with the fixed panel wall jamb. Remove the bottom corner protector. Place the threshold seal on the bottom of the fixed panel. Verify that the seal is 3/8 inch away from the side going into the wall jamb expander. Apply a 1/4 inch bead of silicone sealant to the inside of the wall jamb expander. Remove the threshold tape. Insert the fixed panel into the wall jamb expander and threshold. Clean any excess 100% silicone sealant from the wall jamb expander and fixed panel. Apply a 1/4 inch bead of 100% silicone sealant to the groove of the overlap jamb. Place the overlap jamb over the edge of the fixed panel. Clean any excess silicone sealant from the overlap jamb. Apply silicone sealant between the threshold seal and the overlap jamb. From the inside of the shower, apply silicone sealant between the threshold seal and the threshold. Apply silicone sealant between the threshold seal and the wall jamb expander. From inside the shower, align the cleat with the center overlap jamb. Using the cleat as a template and a 9/64 inch drill bit, drill 2 holes in the threshold. Install the cleat to the threshold with 2 number 8 18 by 1/2 inch screws. Place the drill template on the threshold and align the drill template against the overlap jamb. Using the drill template and a 5/16 inch drill bit, drill a hole into the threshold. Remove the drill template. Install the bottom hinge bushing into the hole. Use a drop cloth to protect the shower surface. Measure distance B between the shower walls and mark the distance on the header. Subtract 1/16 inch from B and make a second mark on the header as shown.